Okay, let's go walking with the folks. You're looking for somebody to bark at, aren't you? Aren't you, girl? Now don't be pulling me through this mud. Barkley, I said don't. Lucy, follow Barkley. He wants to go down there this time. Let's go down here, Lucy.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Lucy, what are you looking at? Birdies? Oh, there's a cardinal over there. Oops, it flew away. Flew in that pine tree there. We put that bird feeder. Come on. That bird feeder I found in the garage. Yeah, I thought we didn't have. I put that here by the pine trees. They said the birds like the feeders near trees and bushes, and that way they're protected. So, and that one got empty pretty quick. I filled it up today. I can see a birdie on it now. He said, I can't wait for you to leave. I'm wanting the food now. The cardinal usually get the seeds off the ground. They're like clingers. Anyway, come on, Lucy, this way. Woo-hoo. Walking you guys a few minutes early, so hope you do something. I'm trying to walk on this grass that's never been walked on because I'm making a path. Going around and around and around in a circle. She's just sniffing. They're not hardly touching the other feeders, I guess, since I put the other one by the pine trees. We got hawks that comes around trying to get the birds. Oh, there's one. Oh, I scared him off. There you go, Barkley's doing his job. Okay, let's go in the house. Come on. Come on. Come on, puppies. Woo. Come on, puppies. Good doggies. Yeah, you're good doggies.